Hi, I'm James. This video is about some of the birds we have in our backyard and at our bird feeder. I learned some interesting things about them that I'd like to share with you. The black-capped chickadee got its name from the song it sings. It's a small bird that looks like it's wearing a black hood. The black-capped chickadee males and females are about the same size. They are 12 to 15 centimeters long. They weigh 9 to 14 grams, and their wingspan is 16 to 22 centimeters. They can be found in any habitat that has trees or woody shrubs, and they like to nest in birch or alder trees. They're bouncy when they fly. They skip through the air like a rock skips across a pond. Have you ever seen a small bird flying low and bouncing in the air across the road in front of a car? That's a chickadee. The red-winged blackbird is the best studied wild bird species in the world. The males are a blackbird with a red and sometimes orange and yellow circular spot on each wing like a sunrise. The females are different. They're brown and white all over. Males and females are around the same size. They're 17 to 23 centimeters long, weigh 32 to 77 grams, and have a wingspan of 31 to 40 centimeters. The male red-winged blackbird will do anything it can to get noticed. It sits on high perches and loudly sings out all its songs all day long. The females are much quieter and would rather search around down low for food and build their nests. In the wintertime, red-winged blackbirds will gather in huge flocks with other blackbird species and starlings to eat grains. They are very territorial birds and will sometimes even attack humans who get too close to their nesting area and chase them away. There is a belief that if a red-winged blackbird crosses your path, it's a sign of good luck and that big change is coming in your life. Common grackles are a blackbird with a blue-green shiny head. Male and female grackles are about 28 to 34 centimeters long, weigh 74 to 142 grams, and have a wingspan of 36 to 46 centimeters. You will often find the common grackle in large flocks. You will find them sitting in trees or on telephone lines, chattering and singing away. They strut around on their long legs, pecking for food instead of scratching like other birds. They will often take over bird feeders from smaller birds, but they prefer to find their food on ground. They look for their food on ground in shallow water or in shrubs. These birds will even steal food away from other birds. They will wait in an area where other birds are feeding. When one happens to drop some food, it will rush in and grab it even right out of another bird's beak. Common grackles are omnivores. That means they eat both plant and meat. They eat insects, minnows, frogs, eggs, berries, seeds, grain, and even small birds and mice. Common grackles have a strong special beak that allows them to saw open nuts like acorns and dried kernels. They also have a very strange behavior called anting, where they will rub insects on their feathers. This is believed to be done to apply liquids like formic acid, which comes out of ants' bodies. Blue jays are a blue and white bird with a crest on its head. Male and female blue jays are about 25 to 30 centimeters long, weigh 70 to 100 grams, and have a wingspan of 34 to 43 centimeters. Blue jays will often come to bird feeders to eat many types of seeds. Some of their favorite foods are sunflower seeds and acorns. They hold the seeds or nuts between their feet and hammer them with their beak to crack them open. Blue jays will also stuff food into a pouch in their throat and fly away to store it or eat it someplace else, sort of like what a chipmunk does. The Toronto baseball team is named after them. There are many types of calls and songs that blue jays have, and they can be heard over long distances. They mostly call and sing while sitting in a tree. thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it and you learned something from it.